Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a girl named Maya. She was very beautiful, kind, and loved nature. One day, while walking in the forest, she heard a strange sound. She followed the sound and found a tall man with long arms and a hairy body. He looked like a monkey but had gentle eyes. Maya was not scared, instead, she felt a connection with him. The man's name was Arjun. He came from another village because the people there did not accept him. They thought he looked too strange, so Arjun started living alone in the forest. He became known as the Monkey Man. Arjun was kind and friendly. He showed Maya many beautiful things in the forest, like colorful flowers, singing birds, and clear streams. They spent a lot of time together, and soon, Maya fell in love with Arjun. Maya knew that people in her village would not understand her love for Arjun. They thought he was strange because of his looks. But Maya believed that love was more important than appearance. One day, she decided to marry Arjun. Maya invited her family and friends to the wedding. They were shocked when they saw Arjun. They did not want Maya to marry him. "He is not like us," they said. But Maya stood up for Arjun. "He is kind and loves me. That is what matters," she said. Soon, Maya and Arjun got married. After the wedding, Arjun wanted to show the villagers that he was not a threat. He decided to help them. One day, during the harvest season, the villagers faced a problem. A group of monkeys was eating their crops. The villagers were worried and didn't know what to do. Arjun saw this and had an idea. He went to the fields and jumped from tree to tree, making loud noises to scare away the monkeys. Soon, all the monkeys ran away. The villagers were amazed. They thanked Arjun for saving their crops. As time passed, Arjun helped the villagers in many ways. He showed them how to find fresh fruits and herbs in the forest. Whenever someone was sick, Arjun would gather healing plants from the forest to help them recover. The villagers began to see Arjun as a friend rather than a monster. At first, they were afraid of him, but they soon learned to accept him. They saw how Arjun cared for Maya and how he helped others. They started inviting him to village festivals, and Arjun joined in the celebrations. He danced with the villagers and shared stories of the forest. Maya and Arjun built a happy life together in the village. They had a little house near the forest. They loved each other deeply, and their love grew stronger over the years. Maya taught the villagers to see beyond appearances. They learned that kindness and love are what truly matter. And so, the girl and the kind monkey man lived happily ever after, reminding everyone that love knows no boundaries.